Okay, this is a tutorial on how to use our topic tags. These were created because of the fact that when we would go into our Facebook group on a computer, I just want to show you, when you're in it on a computer, it's very hard to search. When you're in it on a phone, it's very easy to find them. You just scroll down. But if I need a certain room within the group and I'm here, there's only really two different ways to look. One, you can look at the, go to the home page. I'm over in home. And then you can take a look at your topic room. And if I go down, okay, post topics. When I hit post topics, wonderful, great, super. I can even alphabetize them by popularity, where they have the most top topics. I can then look here for the newest one that's been added. Then I can find alphabetical. There's one really fatal error. When you click it, absolutely nothing happens. So you're left going into the group, going back into the home page, and you have to scroll. When you scroll, you have to drag this down, see popular topics in posts, and continually go show more. Show more. They're not in alphabetical order. They're very hard. As you can see, I'm trying to get further down and it's making me play, and I know that there's more rooms and I'm looking for a certain room and I'm just having to go down. I have to go down and go down and go down. I want to see Enchanted Land. So you can hit Enchanted Land. There's 34 topics and you come up and you find every chart that's created for Enchanted Land. And everybody should be familiar with search. I can easily do Enchanted Land. Enchanted Land. But it's going to be a mixture. It's going to be a mixture of posts. It's going to be a mixture of comments. So there's really a lot to go through. So topic tags are really the best. This is the reason that I created this library. It's for use on the computer, not on the phone, because this is where we do our creations. This is where we save our work. Remember, you should have a Google account. You should be checked into your phone, and you just hit the room. Where is Enchanted Land? Voila. Boom. It's there. I need another game type. Let's do escape rooms. Boom. It's popped up. 66 escape rooms. So I have two different topic tag libraries. These are the room types. If you need a brain break, a game, how to do pixel art, religious rooms, theme designs, Where's Waldo, scavenger hunts, they're all there. The first topic tag library that I did was the subject library. The subject library covers all of our grades, everything I need to know exactly on the level that I need to know it in. I only teach grade 1, let's say. I go to the science grade 1. These are people that have put their posts, and if they're not doing it, we're doing it for them to put it in the right grade. This is why it's very important to add your topic tags. If you don't know how to add a topic tag, when you come to post within our library, I'm going to show you here. It's very easy to add your own topic tag. As we're going down through here, let's look. Okay, here we go. Oh, this is great. This is looks like a St. Patrick's Day classroom, and she's offering it for everybody to copy it. I can see there's a lot of things going on there. We can put it in theme designs because it looks like it's really good for the designs or holidays. So when you do post in the group, you click here, you add your topic. This would fit with holidays or theme rooms, and then you just click it and save. This just helps so when we're all looking for something, we are not going like this. God, where was that room? I saw that room. Oh, where is that room? Oh no, where is it? I can't find it. And then you post the question, and if you're not familiar how to do the search, or you're not familiar how to do topic tags, it could take a while to get the answer, because we get about 200 posts a day. So, like, as you can see, there's a lot of beautiful rooms coming out right now for March that can be added to the March library. I need to say holiday. So all of these, when I hit holiday seasons, it's going to come up. And this is a nice theme design. So I hope this helps explain topic tags. And like I said, it works best from your computer because that's where we do the prep from. The one on the phone, topic tags, it works fine. This is where we were having an issue. Have a nice day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.